not going anywhere. You're gonna eat that whole thing.
Look at that big butt.
I see that.
Alright, and that'll be in half an hour then I come back, okay?
Yes, ma'am. We'll be here.
You'll be here. And not for 2 months longer. Get a good night's sleep, hopefully, and then you'll be done.
No poked. No one's gonna poke you. You already got everything earlier that you needed. Finish your ice cream so you can lay down before you fall over. I guess they give you some good medicine here, don't they? What? You're done? Alright, you ready to lay down? He ate most of his ice cream.